What's good and what's poppin' YouTube? My name is Kene and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get DIY individual lashes from your strip lashes. So why this method, you might be asking? Well, first of all, this method might be way easier for you than applying strip lashes, especially if you buy lashes that has a lash band that is too thick or if you have trouble holding down the ends of your lashes. Also, this method is so much cheaper than going to a salon or going to a professional to get your lashes done. So I think this method only cost me about $10 to get the additional supplies I needed besides like a mirror and like scissors and just the basic items that you would have sitting around the house. This method is good if you're pressed for time. So if you want to wake up in the morning and just go, this is definitely the method for you. Also, this method lasts 1 to 2 weeks depending on how well you maintain them, and it also only takes 20 to 25 minutes to do. And finally, they're really natural. So if you like what you see and you want to learn how to do this, keep watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get into this video. So here are the products that I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to explain them a little bit. So first we have scissors, and any kind will do, just make sure that they're not too big. I have a spoolie to brush out your lashes. Lashes, of course, and I'm using a pair of minks from my beauty supply, and I like these because they're not too skimpy, so they're not only last, but they'll last and look good. So I have two glues shown here because both individual lash glue and super strong cold strip lash glue work for this method. I'm also showing two because I want this to be super affordable, so just whichever one you have or whichever one is cheaper. The glue just has to be strong and dark, and for this video I will be using the strip lash glue. Then I have tweezers, and again, I'm only showing you guys two options, but you only really need one for this process. So the first step is going to be to cut up your lashes, and I'm going to kind of show you guys how long I tend to cut them. You just don't want to cut them too long that they might as well have stayed strips, but also not too short that it's hard to put on. So I'm cutting them about that long. So you want to cut with the band facing you so that you minimize the amount of hair that you cut off when cutting the lashes. And as you can see, I kind of did that for the first pair, lol. And then you also want to keep the individual lash pieces in order as you cut and separate them by eye. So I'm done cutting the lashes and I'm just kind of arranging them and getting ready to put them on. So now you want to prepare your lashes to put on the individual. So I'm just going through with my spoolie on clean lashes, so no mascara, no makeup of any kind, and just making sure I can apply the lashes and increase the longevity of the lashes. So now I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to apply the glue to the front of the lash. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you just want to apply it on the top and like on the front. So you're going to hold your lashes like that, and you're going to apply while holding your mirror downwards and looking down so that you can see under your eye, and just kind of apply it up under there. After I'm done applying each lash, I adjust them to how I would want them to look and sit once the entire set is finished. So I'm just repeating the process I just showed you guys. So I'm taking my glue, I'm putting it on the top and front of the lash band. I'm waiting my 30 seconds. And then I apply under my lash. So I apologize if I wasn't very clear about this, but basically you apply each individual lash under your eye at the start of where your real lash starts. So don't forget to blow on the lash or wait 30 seconds to apply them. As you can see, I kind of kept forgetting, but make sure you don't do that because it does make the process a bit harder. So I just finished this eye and I'm really liking how it's looking. Like, guys, I just got a whole volume set for only $10. Like, don't sleep. I wasn't really sure if I wanted this to be a voiceover, so if you guys see me talking, just please ignore that. But I'm literally just doing the same exact thing for this eye. So you just glue, wait, or blow on the lash, and then apply. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyebrows are on fleek. And if you want to get that same look, be sure to click the suggested video that's going to pop up right around here to see how I do my eyebrows. So another thing I want you guys to keep in mind is getting glue on your bottom lash. So as you can see, I just adjusted that, but just be careful. So now that I'm finished, I'm just making sure my lashes are on, they're secure, and they're placed exactly how I want them to look. Alright, so we are done with the lash tutorial, and it did not take too long, as I told you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or concerns for me, please comment those down below. Any areas of improvement, anything you guys want to tell me, just comment that below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to also follow all of my social media accounts that will be located right here. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.